Alright folks, this that unit with that leaking coil in that corner down there. That unit that's still good, I'm gonna keep it. We got a leaking coil, had to upgrade to 454B. Alright. Don't worry about the pictures, I'll take the pictures for you.
Okay. Oh, see it?
Alright, so it's absolutely nothing going wrong with this. It's a 3-ton condenser unit, and I'm gonna keep this blower motor. Put both of them in my shop. I'm gonna clean this one up, and then I may sell a used 410A, and never know when I need this blower motor for a Linux air handling unit. I got another 410A 4-ton unit that it had a grounded compressor, but it was still under warranty. I'm gonna install that compressor because I already sold that unit to a lady in my neighborhood. So I gave a good price on it. It's gonna be a brand new compressor. I'm gonna refurbish the unit, put a new contactor and capacitor in there, clean the coils up. And I'm gonna put a new 5-ton evaporator coil on it. It's got an upstairs and downstairs house with one unit, just a 4-ton unit. So I'm gonna upgrade her to a 5-ton evaporator coil and a refurbished condenser unit. And that condenser unit, I think it still got like 2 more years on the warranty. Yeah, but that's 410A. You see this 454B. This stuff is expensive. Waiting on them to fire it up and see if we're gonna need to add a charge to it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna see how much factory charge that unit already got. Cause it seems like they've been shorting us since there's been a demand for the refrigerant. They say it's a short. They say they got plenty of refrigerant, but it's a short on the cylinder. As you see, this got a adapter, have left-hand threads on it. I'm gonna read the email I just got too from Johnstone Supply regarding the refrigerant. Yes, sir. Instead of getting the emails on price increasing, I got one email from Linux that they're gonna have a tariff. I think from anywhere 5 to 10% tariff added on the invoices. But this the 454B shortage. Okay, at Johnstone Supply, our goal is to help you navigate the A2L refrigerant transition smoothly, profitably due to high demand. The availability of 454B refrigerant, particularly in the reverse thread cylinder, has outpaced current industry production capacity. To best support your success and long-term growth, we are prioritizing our limited 454B inventory for customers purchasing 454B compressor bearing equipment. Here's how we're supporting our custom priority. While we have 454B in stock and available for individual purpose, we are prioritizing purchases accompanied by equipment. Okay, so I think they already selling, it's like $1,000 per cylinder, but they had it to where you can buy as many as you want last week. So now it seems like even Johnstone, you got to buy their equipment. Johnstone in my area, I think they said Goodman and Coleman. Coleman should be 454B. My battery getting low on this phone. I think Coleman is 54B, but Goodman should be R32. Let me see. Lead times. New 454B orders currently carry an industry-wide lead time of approximately 16 weeks. Wow. It's 1st of May now, pretty much. So that's the whole summer. So if it's gonna get rough this summer, we'll keep you informed of any changes. Alternative option: need something sooner? We maintain strong inventory levels of R32 equipment and refrigerant, delivering excellent efficiency, improving reliability, and a lower cost per cylinder. We also still have some 410A refrigerant and equipment in stock at great pricing, giving you flexible options to meet your immediate needs. Thank you for choosing. So they say they still got some 410A equipment. They're gonna be the way to go, but I see 410A prices is going up also rapidly, because it's gonna be in more demand, especially when this go out. People gonna have to try to repair their equipment. Good luck on them aluminum coils, but it seems like they should still have a bunch of evaporator coils out there, even if they don't have condenser units. But we'll see. But that's what we're dealing with, folks. So we try to warn people to go ahead and purchase your equipment before this year, because prices fit to skyrocket. As you can see on it, Lennox will be implementing a 7% tariff surcharge starting May 1st, followed by a 5% increase May 9th. Ah, man. They got a breakdown here. Mini split's gonna get a 10%. Supply is gonna get 4%. Coils 7%. They Merit series 7%. And like I say, this gonna be industry wide too. Lennox not gonna be the only one doing this. All right, so you're gonna have to look at your invoices. You're gonna have to pass them charges and them fees on to your customer. So you might have to make some price adjustments accordingly. All right, let me see how much refrigerant in there already. 6 pounds, 13 ounces, 7 pounds. I bet that ain't gonna be enough. We'll see.
Not having any there.
Yeah, I got some more. I got more, but when we fire that, we're gonna see if we're gonna have to add some. B?
No, Goodman.
Oh, it's a Goodman, R32. So,
You changed it.
could you bypass it, or you have to put another sensor on there? They won't let you bypass it either? Or what you do?
No, I want to put in the sensors.
You put a new sensor in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because never. I think somebody go later and
Oh yeah, yeah.
you put the bypass, and I think the other guy going there never know.
Never know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah. Then he tried to braid something.
it's better put it.
Yeah, it's expensive, and I see they only put 6.13 pounds in here. That might not even be enough.
No, we needed more.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to add some more.
Probably we needed 2 pounds.
Seems like all of them been short.
Yeah.
But I think since they know it's a shortage in refrigerant or whatever, I don't think they putting that much refrigerant in there. I don't know, I could be wrong.
Yeah, we need to live around a little bit.
Okay, but they say they got a lot of refrigerant, but they don't have a cylinder.
Supposed to be he's selling 1 jug a week.
Huh? 1 jug a week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why we make this the honest and not have I wanted to sell it real.
Yeah, this is probably gonna be low. It might go back up a little bit.
Yeah, leave it run for a little bit.
Turn it back on for me. Turn this back on. Let's put one down on it. Yeah, it went up fast. I don't know, it might be alright. Yeah, let it run for a little while. I got some more in my truck though.
You need it? Use it? Use it? Use it?
No. Let it run for a while,
Yeah.
and then If we need to add some, we'll add some. We're gonna try to get 10-degree subcooling.
I do one job for Mr. GMB frame. You know
Mhm.
that guy?
Who?
Mr. GMB frame.
What's
He
it?
live in Kelly.
They were like them new high-rise buildings or something.
You do new construction?
No,
You like it?
no.
It's one in the one that he weathered with the pay you, huh?
Yeah, yeah. They don't like to pay a lot either.
Yeah.
If they keep you busy though, you know, if you can do a lot of them,
Change out.
yeah. I'm gonna go get some more refrigerant. I think we're gonna be a little low. It's been running about 5 minutes, about 2-degree subcooling.
Echamos.
Go ahead.
¿Cuánto?
Go ahead. I'm put stop at
Una libra. You want a pound?
yeah, stop at 1 pound.
Here, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Stop.
Mira,
Búscame unas gomitas. Parece que vino frío.
Yeah, put the address in.
Dice Mississippi no es de en Guatemala.
Yeah. That's where I'm from. Small.
No immigration does that, right?
Huh?
No immigration.
I don't know. Hey,
Mississippi, you did? Shanna, you know Covington?
Covington?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we got 10-degree subcooling.
Yeah, that's good, huh?
Yeah, perfect.